Mother is growth, the power of growth, the energy. Look here, y'all, it's June. Major thanks to all our supporters on Patreon that help us maintain our equipment and expand our sites. We've got lots of food production happening. We are super grateful and super excited. This is it. This is the life force expressed through the mother. Celebrating the mother, venerating the mother, gratitude to our mother. How is our mother celebrated? How is our mother venerated? Where is the mother? Is that the mother up there? The mother. Shade cloth back on the house. We can grow in this tunnel, growing really well. We got the tomatoes happening, peppers happening, ginger, tomatillos. This is that change of seasons. We're in June right now. This is the productivity that we have happening as we stabilize on this new farm site. We're grateful to everybody who supports us on Patreon. That's that purple basil, and helps us to maintain our equipment, our materials, our soil. Super grateful for all the transformation that's happened out here in South Fulton over the last year. So we've been working out here in South Fulton for about a year, and we've seen a lot of transformation over this time period. Just working to focus on how to get the soil up to par while also maintaining other sites and a market presence. So we're grateful to everybody who supports us, everybody who has helped us get this right. We are grateful to all the support on Patreon, everybody on Instagram who supports the work. Come see us at Freedom Farmers Market. Grow where you are. We're doing a potato harvest. We've had blue potatoes at the market. We've had, that's it so far. But look at this. You see how they look? You see how they're starting to lay down? The vines are starting to lay down. We just kind of source the base, come out about 12 or 18 inches, go straight down, elevate the whole plant, and just start to see what we see under here. And what we got are some of these fingerling potatoes, these pink fingerlings. And here you can see what we planted. That's what we planted, right? So let's dig another one and see what happens. Same thing. You see the plant, get to the base of the plant, kind of look around, you start to see them. They're in here, so we don't want to stab them. So we come out, go underneath the plant, raise the whole thing up. Look at this, y'all. Look at this, look at this, look at this. This is what we're talking about. You plant half of one of these, and this is the return you're getting, right? These are the pink fingerlings. They're pink all the way through on the inside. We'll show you that at another point. We'll cut them open, let you take a look, but take a look in here at that wheelbarrow full of carbohydrates grown organically in the ground, southeastern soil. Today is first week of June, y'all. Take a look, y'all. This is what we get when we focus on productivity, focus on the soil, focus on methodology that allows us to maximize production while suppressing the weeds, and really focusing on planting the seeds that we know are going to be productive for each season and that are going to give us what our customers need and what we ourselves want as farmers. Keep seeing, keep checking in. Thank you to everybody on Patreon who blesses us and supports us, because it really makes a world of difference. Welcome to June. Grow where you are. This is it, y'all. Look at this production. This food production is looking so beautiful. We're grateful to all our supporters on Patreon for helping us get everything planted for this spring and summer. Appreciating the mother. Flowers in bloom. Okra sprouted, molokia growing, beans flowering. Productivity, creativity, receptivity, the yielding, the expansive, the creative power and potency of the mother energy. It's for us to work with that energy. What is masculinity when we live in a feminine dimension? Look at this. How amazing is our mother when you see, look at the mother, what the mother produces. Look at how much expression of beauty. Ain't that something? Look at this expression straight from our mother.